Welcome students. Here's the question. A upon ax minus 1 plus b upon bx minus 1 is equal to a plus b, where a plus b not is equal to 0 and ab not is equal to 0. Before going to solve this question, I advise all of you watch this video without any break. Now solve this question. Ay plus by bx minus 1 that is equal to a plus b. Look up the equation. Here is the variable x is in the denominator, here also is in the denominator, and right hand side a plus b. So we have to reduce these such a way we get the solution of x and we can solve. Now try to solve this. A by ax minus 1. If we transpose a and b to the left and write this way, watch this. If we simplify a minus abx minus plus b. In the case of this fraction b by bx minus 1 minus a, we may have similarity in the numerator. Now let's proceed. Plus b by minus 1 minus a, right hand side, that is equal to 0. So now simplify in this bracketed expression, minus bx plus b plus b bx plus a bx minus 1 that is equal to 0. Now see numerator a minus bax plus b, here numerator b minus abx plus a. If we write ab by ab, these two will be same. So we may take out the common a plus b minus abx. It is written after rearranged. So you are taking out this common. Now what is remaining here? 1 by ax minus 1 plus 1 by bx minus 1. Right hand side 0. Now what we see? Here is two factors. This is one factor, this is another factor. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0 or both 0. Now consider first this is equal to 0. Now either a plus b minus abx that is equal to 0. From here a plus b transpose to the right abx. Now left hand side and right hand side interchanged, abx therefore x is equal to a plus b by ab. It is correct because ab not is equal to 0 given. Now here writing or 1 by ax minus 1 that is equal to 0. Simplify this, that means ax minus 1 and bx minus 1 are LCM, and here will be bx minus 1 plus ax minus 1 that is equal to 0. So numerator is equal to 0, taking out common x, a plus b minus 1 minus 2 that is equal to 0. After simplifying or solving, x is equal to minus 2 to go right hand side, 2 by a plus b, or a plus b not is equal to 0. Therefore we await the solution of this equation, two solutions. Therefore, the solutions are a plus b by ab and 2 by a plus b. If you are benefited by watching this video, please you will share this video to your friends, and if any problem you may write comments. Thank you.